In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete photos from Google Drive, a task that might seem simple but can sometimes be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the steps. So let's dive right in and make sure you can clear up some space in your Google Drive swiftly and easily. First and foremost, you'll want to start by logging into your Google account. This is essential as it ensures that you're accessing your own Drive with all your personal files and photos. Once you're logged in, head over to Google Drive. If you're not sure how to find it, you can simply search for Google Drive in your web browser or navigate directly via the Google Apps menu if you're familiar with that. Once you're in Google Drive, take a moment to browse through your files. In the left panel, you'll see a section labeled My Drive. Click on it, and it will display all the files and folders under your account. If you have a lot of documents, you might want to use the search bar at the top to locate photos specifically. Simply type in the file type, like JPEG or PNG, and it should narrow down your results to just the images. After locating the photos you want to delete, you can select them easily. If there are multiple photos, hold down the Shift key and click on each of them to select arrange, or use the Control key or Command on Mac to select individual files scattered across different locations. Once you've selected all the images you wish to remove, look for the trash icon at the top of the page. Simply click on this icon, and those files will be moved to trash. Now, here's a crucial step. Moving files to trash doesn't immediately remove them from your storage space. You'll want to empty the trash to free up your drive space. To do this, find the trash option in the left-hand panel again. Click on it, and you'll find all your deleted items there. To permanently delete everything, click on Empty Trash, which should be at the top of the screen. Google will prompt you to confirm that you want to do this because once emptied, these files cannot be recovered. Before you wrap up, take a moment to double-check that you haven't mistakenly deleted anything you wanted to keep. Always a good practice to review your files before emptying the trash. And there you have it. Your Google Drive should now have more space, and those unnecessary photos are gone. That concludes our tutorial. Hopefully, you found this process straightforward and easy to follow. Deleting files you no longer need is a great way to maintain an organized and efficient Google Drive. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you feel more confident with managing your digital storage space. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tech tips and tutorials. Have a great day.